Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Abbey, and the topic I've chosen for this presentation today is the California Law SB 886, streamlining the CEQA review process for university housing projects. So first of all, what is it? On paper, it is essentially a law allowing California universities and colleges to skip the CEQA review process when constructing student housing, providing the housing projects meet certain criteria. Some of the requirements include, but are not limited to, the development project must be intended to be solely occupied by students and staff, it must be on university-owned land, and it must not emit additional greenhouse gases. So, why are people against it? The California Environmental Quality Act, also known as CEQA, was put in place for a reason, and proposing a specific law to circumvent its processes is viewed as controversial. Some environmental justice groups fear that this will snowball into giving more and more institutions the ability to ignore CEQA guidelines in the future. In addition to that, allowing all higher education institutions in California to construct new housing simultaneously has provoked concerns over local infrastructure with worries of things such as increased traffic and not enough local resources to support the influx of residents. Moving on from the negatives, why should you support it? Despite everything that's been mentioned, there are strong arguments in support of this law. For example, the chief concern it would address is the student homelessness issue. With percentages of students being homeless going all the way up to 19% of the student population, the only real solution is affordable housing. Being able to live near or on campus can be crucial to a student's success, and in reality, we should not have any homeless students whatsoever. On top of that, there is no evidence to support the idea that these housing projects would be harmful to the environment, even though they are essentially skipping a large part of the CEQA's process. The rules that have been put into place beforehand ensure that these housing projects are not only eco-friendly, but are sustainable for years to come. To sum it all up, SB 886 is a law that can greatly benefit student well-being in California. While it has raised some concerns, they are easily addressed, and we should all hope to see a positive impact of this law in the years to come.